guys, John Boy here, and today we're doing probably my series I haven't started yet. It's gonna be pistol only series where I have to use my Ninja Fuse class and try and get as many kills as I can in free throw. Hopefully try to win. But yeah, see how this goes. And that's the overall safety mode. So yeah, pistol out. Probably read this game. And when you're done with this episode, well, right after this episode's done, I'm probably going to do another one of this episode, or, got it. Or I'm going to do an MP7 series where it's literally the exact same thing, only I'm using MP7, and Air made with MP7. Oh, dang it. Whew! Got him. God dang it, I think I saw that shit before, but yeah, whatever. God dang it, that's a motherfucker. God dang it, tomahawk. Got him, surprisingly. What? I mean, one of these pistols and the pistol and the challenge. There's only two things. A, he uses class all the time. Or my second option, if I do enough, only if I run out of ammo, I want to pick up someone else's. No, I'm not doing it, but if I kill someone that has a secondary of a, well, like drops a, pistol, I want to take that pistol and kill anyone with it. I'm going to pick up if you do that pistol, I can take it up and use that pistol and it'll be count. If you're a sniper or something like that, I might not use it. I have to knife so much and knife the rest of my die. I'm going to get a pistol. Surprisingly, I'm in third. How the hell am I in third if I only have 8 kills? If I don't get mad and one thing, either A, will upload it, or B, I will switch to my MP7 and use that. The game is in MP7 already. I recommend checking it out, but I'm really good at MP7. I'm not allowed to take this pistol. I'm allowed to take this pistol on next fail. Wait, no, not that fail. I can't take that fail. That's all wrong. I think I ended up done. God dang it! Okay, if I had aimed my pistols, either one of them, I would have won. It's the pistol dude. Oh god, there's a sniper. I'm sad right now that I'm tired with the dude. Yeah, I'm tired with the dude who's in second and oh shit! Not expect to hit that. Something. I did not expect to hit that. You guys saw that, right? Well, this video is automatically being uploaded no matter how bad I do. Just cross-snap that dude. You guys saw that. Dang it, I still that bug. I only took a cross-snap. I am getting a bunch of cross-snaps still with me and Viper T13 are Austin. There's Austin Christian, Tank Waters Christian, and Austin is Viper T13 obviously. play with you with them. Sometimes maybe someone else. I think for tonight, if my friend does decide to get on, I will be playing Madden 15 Ultimate Team with my friend who plays Ultimate Team for a while. He didn't record, but he played Ultimate Team. He's been playing Ultimate Team for a while, and he had like Cam Newton and all that stuff. Yeah, if you watch my Ultimate Team thing, you know how horrible my team is. I'm still. Oh, there he was. Where was he? Oh, no, not near. Hold on. Oh, shit. Don't! Hey, don't be new and use a goddamn SMG in a pistol gunfight. You want a pistol fight? Use the sniper, dude. Yeah, pistol fire faster, but dude, you can wait.
Hostile UAV above.
I'm flipping dead. Oh, this dude's going to jump off. Let's look right here. That's it. Oh god! Fell down his ass! Oh snap! Did you hit it? Okay, if you. Oh, okay, well, I'm gonna stop the video here. Hang on for a second. Okay, you can have it. I'm gonna have the video here until we get to the next game. Hey guys, we're back and we're probably
Agents, you are clear for contact.
We're back. Friday and Christian.
Yeah, the calling card doesn't even work, so I used to have it.
No, they didn't.